Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Make a Game. This is episode 16 of Snackrificial Chamber, and today I'm adding another ritual circle. I already have the generic circle, which can sacrifice any number of chickens, and the ratio circle, which needs to balance out with the other ratio circles in the level. The circle I'm adding today is a countdown circle, and it has a simple condition. The count value needs to reach 0 by sacrificing the selected number of chickens. I started as I always do when adding a new tile, by adding the new type to the tile class, then defining the subtype and output type. I also created a new tile object instance using this new type, and a sprite I created earlier. This is all that needs to be done for this object to be usable in the level editor. For the prefab, I created a variant of the ratio circle, then updated the color of the components from blue to orange. I then dropped this into my level buildmaster object so it can be placed when a level is generated. In order to set the count value of this circle, I enabled the slider when a countdown circle is selected in the editor. Just like the ratio circles, any value from 1 to 10 can be set. To help distinguish this circle from the ratio circle, I also added some functionality to the GameTile class. Every time a ritual circle is activated, it already publishes to the register sacrifice topic, so I added a conditional statement specifically for countdown circles. Each time one of these is activated, I lower the property value by 1 to show that it's counting down. If the count falls below 0, it shows a frowny face instead. All that's left is to add the win condition check. The existing method was already getting a bit long, so I moved the ratio circle logic to its own method. This new method handles finding the minimum ratio values and the sacrifice values, along with the formula to determine balance. Now the core method only handles the sacrifice incrementing and checking for the end of the level. To keep the core method clean, I created another method to handle the countdown conditions. This method only needs to iterate through all registered countdown circles and check that the number of chickens sacrificed matches the registered count value for the circle. However, since this method is only run after all cargo has been dealt with, it can't handle the case where too many chickens are sacrificed. If this happens, I want to end the level early so it's not wasting the player's time. All I do to fix this is add an early fail check to make sure the actual sacrifice count for the given circle doesn't exceed its registered count value. That's all I've got for you this episode. I added a new ritual circle type and its win condition. If you like this episode, you can subscribe to my channel on the left, and if you want to see more, you can check out my other videos on the right. If you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment or reach out to me on Twitter. Thanks for watching!